干小姐，学法语，你们好，大家好，bonjour, hello. I hope that you are doing well today, and we are going to see another sound from the consonant, from the 17th consonant, and from the French, the phonics, the 36 French sounds. Okay, so today we are going to see the sound G. G, I think it's like in G. 我是你们的哥哥。我是你们的老师，我不是你们的哥哥。Okay. Here, this is the same as we've seen last time. You remember last time we've seen the sound K. So the way to say it is the same for G, K. But the hair doesn't go out. Let me show you again with this. So first, K. 我们上次看这个，我们上次看 K. 今天是 G. Okay. Let's see it together. Let's say it together. 我们一起说 OK. 1、2、3 G.一起说 1 G 2 G 3 G 4 G 5 G. Très bien, excellent, très bien. Et 现在我们有一起说 there are 11 ways to write the sound G. 11 ways, so we will say it together. Seconde, eczéma, gag, gay, aigu, tongue, gang, goulag, aggravé, agglutiné, ghetto, spaghetti, félaga, afghan, nurag. I'm not sure about this one. So, leg, préleg, gag, reg, gang, gui, guêpe, guerre, blaguer. Okay, next one. Vaguelette, bague, vague, langue, il blague, bague, vague, fargue, fringue. Très bien, excellent, très bien, fringue. Okay, let's just to finish before we leave each other, just repeat together this that we've seen today. So, ichisho, manu ichisho, g, gare, bague, gare, bague, gare, bague. Très bien. Et momento yosho, b, balle, robe, que, carpe, kiwi, qui, de, date, gare, bague, peu, petit, te, tordu. Fei Changrao, très bien. Au revoir, 再见, à bientôt.